ng Cebu City Tigers for this finals matchup ng ating 17 under.
Interesting itong lineup ng Familia DC Jericho, no? 2 second generation PBA player. Itong si Reyes at syempre si Lassiter.
That's right. First shot nila is off the mark. Both teams parang feeling out process. Although, sabi mo kanina, they played each other in that first day. Pero iba na yung story after 4 long days of playing ball.
Oo, totoo ka dyan, Jericho, no? Sa una paghaharap nila, napakalaki nitong lead na nakuha ng Cebu City Tigers. Pero ngayon, different nga sa ating 5th day and sa finals day. Kasi nga nag-glue na no? Itong si Pagalingan at itong si Mayor. And syempre, with the addition pa nitong si Lassiter at itong si Reyes. And alam naman natin kung gaano ka-intimidating pag si Reyes yung kaharap mo, Jericho.
That's right. But the Tigers get yet another stop. Their second of the game. Salim, Silawan, floater. Wala. Reinhardt Panaligan with a rebound. Player of the game siya yesterday in their 1 of 2 games. Mayor from downtown. Wala. Fight for the rebound. Won by Jacob Cortez.
Kanina napag-usapan natin yung second generation players. Ngayon naman, ito mga player mula sa Calabarzon na gustong magpakita at gustong ipakita nga yung kanilang talento dito sa Visayas, no?
Yes.
Fresh from palarong pambansa itong si Panaligan at si Mayor.
Lassiter though with the basketball. Mayor with 7 seconds to work. Driving by Flandes, the floater, wala pa rin. Fight for the rebound, won by the Tigers. Jacob Cortez with the basketball. Both teams still looking for their first points of this finals.
Jericho, surprisingly, no, pinagsabay na mag-start itong si Jacob Cortez at si Selim, which is para sa Cebu City dati or nung kanilang elimination round, backup guard itong si Cortez.
That's right, but they gotta bring the firepower as Panaligan, no look dish inside. Napalakas lang ng konti yung pasa. Panaligan takes a deep breath, fires a 3, it's short. Grabe, itong energy ng New Cebu Coliseum.
Yep.
Grabe, papuno na papuno. I mean, as if it's not full enough itong ating New Cebu Coliseum.
Pero malamig pa itong si Reinhardt.
Yeah.
Panaligan, no? Yung ganun ka-open na shot. Pag nanginit itong batang ito, matik yan.
Oh, Lassiter sends it back. Says,
Denied.
get that stuff out of here. You see him on your screen there, the son of Marshall Lassiter from the San Miguel Beermen.
Super Marshall.
Flandes though. Cortez. Ball stays with the Tigers. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Selim against Lassiter. Sidestep 3, hand in his face. Wala pa rin.
Kaya pala ganito kalakas yung sigaw. Both teams, wala pa palang puntos, Jericho.
Oo. Ali mamawag. Lassiter for 3. In a rebound, Cebu City Tigers, they don't have a size advantage, pero they've been getting a lot of rebounds. Silawan goes inside. Tyler Reyes with the board.
Ang haba, ang laki.
Going through a wall on that layup there.
At ang mga Cebuano, tuwang-tuwa dito.
Oo. Panaligan. Reyes slips. Puts it up. Shot. Rattles in for Tyler Reyes.
For a big man like this, and as young as this kid, no? Itong si Tyler Reyes, yung soft touch na yan.
Yeah.
My future.
Campante. It's a nice behind the back move by Silawan from the left or from the right elbow. That shot will roll out of the rim. Out of bounds na yun.
Out of bounds na. Tumama na sa shot clock natin, Jericho, no? So automatic na yun.
Quick subs for the side of Familia DC. They lost their opening game, pero over the tournament, they found their rhythm as a team.
By the way, their head coach, no? Yung, as Reinhardt. Ito na, nagparamdam na si Reinhardt.
Reinhardt Panaligan 20-piece bucket yesterday. Will we see the same to win the championship? Three-pointer from the left wing. Wala. And it's Tyler Reyes with the rebound. Mayor throws it ahead to Ali Mamawag. Thought about the three. The drive inside. Napalakas lang ng konti yung layup.
Napasobra yung Pectus, no? Kita
Yeah.
mo, naging floater. Yung kanyang bitaw. As Cortez, too strong for Jacob.
Here comes Panaligan pushing the tempo for Familia DC and a quick foul to stop the break.
I love the fast pace dito na ginagawa nitong J Project, no? Pushing. Ito kanilang transition offense. Pero grabe itong Tyler Reyes, though, is the biggest inside the floor right now. Pero sumasabay din sa mga guards in transition.
Running the break. And they want to make it a bigger lead. Mamawag for three. Not that time. Rebound by Sinda. Naitawid rin ang bola. Double team, stolen by Panaligan. Here they come on the break. Hard ball.
Unsportsmanlike foul, clearly.
Yeah. No easy basket, sabi ni Jacob Cortez.
Oo, tsaka kita naman natin no? Parang nadala din itong si Jacob Cortez with
Yeah.
that stare down before the drive nitong si Panaligan.
Ningitian eh.
Oo, kaya, huwag mo ngangasan. Nasa lugar kita.
Yeah.
Di ba?
That's right, but our officials will take a look.
Yup. Di pwede yan para sa ating mga officials, no? The finals, ito, alam natin how tough this game. Pero our officials are in control sa ball game na ito.
Yeah. And taking a look at it again, 5 minutes pa lang tayo dito sa ating first quarter.
Tsaka nagre-review ngayon, yung multi-talented na referee.
Yes.
Na si Alex Yanez, can cook, can sing, can dance, and can play guitar. Grabe itong taong to.
All around.
Oo. The pride of Tongkil. Grabe itong taong to. Unsportsmanlike foul.
Yes. From the moment the play happened, parang obvious na. Kasi nga, I mean, earlier in the game, in the 15 under championship, there was a same possession as well na parang ganito. On the layup, as you see, Jacob Cortez, horizontal kasi yung challenge. And as a result, that's going to be Jacob Cortez at the bench for a short period of time.
At saka si Jacob Cortez, no? Talking to our official, si Jigjig Lescunia, sabi niya, di ba daw nila nakita yung second motion na ginawa nitong si number 2.
Mamawag.
Oo, itong si Mamawag.
2 for 2 from the charity stripe. Itong si Reinhardt Panaligan. And it's a quick 7-0 start for Familia DC. Tapos may ball possession pa.
Yep.
Ito mga naka-blue and red.
7-0 now for Familia DC.
Ooh, but a wayward pass by Kian Valencia leads to a turnover.
Masyadong nagmadali doon si Valencia.
Yeah, di pa nakapag-cut. Ito si Tyler Reyes. But here come the Cebu City Tigers looking for their first basket.
Still scoreless itong yellow shirts.
Oh, nice pass. And Salim can't get it to go. From point blank range.
Oh, point blank, no?
Mayor, floater, rejected by Flandes. Second chance shot is there for John Mayor.
John Mayor, ang bait na bata. Right after that shot, kita mo naman, balik lang sa kanyang tao, no?
Oo. Momodu balik kay Flandes sa labas. Spin, step back jumper, handed his face, and good defense there by Tyler Reyes.
Still scoreless for the Tigers here. Medyo limited din kasi yung kanilang mga pasa dito, Jericho, no? Nakikita natin, medyo wala yung kalang off-the-ball movement, tsaka yung mga ball screens, wala masyadong engagement for the guards.
That's right. Here comes Panaligan trying to get it across. Looking to make it a double-digit game. Panaligan, strong drive to the cup. Yambao, rejected from behind by Momodu, but a steal by Panaligan. A floater, wala pa rin.
Good challenge right there. by Selim. Putting his hands up. And right now,
Oh!
dunk ka naman sa kabila.
But it's just the length of this Familia DC squad. Parang wala talagang madadaanan itong Cebu City Tigers so far.
Oo, totoo ka dyan. Jericho, no? Pero ito, tignan muna natin itong ating replay.
Let's take a look. A strong drive. Napakabilis. But natapik ni Ives Yambao.
Chefs, ng timing lang dun eh. No?
Another block. Kian Valencia sends it back. Familia DC running the break. Ali Mamawag takes it all by himself. And an 11-0 start for Familia DC. Napatawag na timeout si Coach Montoy Singson. As we take a look at that time, our play of the game hatid sa inyo ng official logistics partner ng Sinag Liga Asia, Teleport. We'll be right back after this short break. Na yan ng Cebu City Tigers.
Oo, pangatlo na nga sa kanila, Jericho, no? Pero under a minute naman tayo dito sa ating first quarter.
Mamawag splits the defense. Naagawan. Jacob Cortez running the break. The pass was too advanced. Too strong lang yung pasa, sayang.
Oo, pero bibilib ka din talaga sa conditioning.
Yeah.
Itong si Jacob Cortez, no? Though medyo bulky yung kanyang build. Pero kita mo naman kung paano tumakbo eh. Parang athlete. Parang ano lang din eh. Runner eh.
12 seconds separating shot and game clock. Monte Lassiter, panaligan. Mamawag for 3. Short, Reyes. Skies for the offensive board.
Tyler Reyes. Pinakamatangkad. No dip. No dip pa nga yung kanyang ginawa doon. How can you challenge that shot?
But on the other end, Silawan, nice no-look dish inside. Yun nga lang, hindi lang maipasok. Reyes with a rebound and 7 seconds to go.
A big man that can bring the ball for the Familia DC.
1 second to go. Lassiter to beat the buzzer. And a dominating show for Familia DC after the first 10 minutes of our 1700 finals dito sa Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase. We're watching the world play right now, and the lead is 16. Tignan mo naman, ating first quarter highlights defense and offense. Familia DC firing from all cylinders dito sa ating first quarter ninyo.
Oo, ang ganda na ginawa dito ng Familia DC, no? They share the ball more compare dito sa Cebu City 3-0 yung assist department natin.
And ating score, 18-2 at the end of one. We'll be back after this break. Welcome back. You're watching the live coverage of the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Visayas Like 2026. And it's a steal by Panaligan on the first possession of this second quarter. And that's just been the story of this ball game so far, Nino.
Oo, totoo ka dyan, Jericho, no? Yung kanilang one-on-one full court press dito. Sobrang successful for Familia DC getting the steals sa ating numbers dito. Titignan natin. Pangalawa na yan para sa kanila.
As Cortez pinilit. But good defense again.
Once again, itong Cebu City Tigers, isa pa lang yung nakakapuntos sa kanila. That's Mamawag pa lang.
Mamawag hitting the screen. Valencia pass down low. And the ball movement leads to this. 20 na ang kalamangan, the biggest of the game so far.
First time natin nakita itong Cebu City na ganito.
Yeah.
Sabi nga natin, magkaiba talaga yung storya ng kanilang first met dito. Kasi nga nag-glue na itong si Mamawag. Itong si Panaligan yan. Siyempre, yung pag-connect din, isang siyam ko, finally, basket din. For Concepcion.
Oo, Hans Concepcion. Isa sa mga shooters ng Cebu City Tigers. Gets one to go. And let's see if momentum shift yan. But Valencia gets the ball back. Panaligan fakes the pass. Ali Mamawag, step back three. Hits the back iron. Silawan pushing the tempo for the guys in yellow. Balik sa labas. Cortez lines it up from downtown. Rolls out. Silawan with a putback.
5-0 right now for the Cebu City Tigers. Pangalawang field goal nila.
Yeah.
Hard-earned din.
Oo. But a couple of behind-the-back moves by Ali Mamawag, taking it all by himself, but a foul on the floor. That's a foul on Concepcion. Let's take a look at that replay again, Nino. Mintis ang tres, but the offensive board and the putback, yan yung effort na kanilang kailangan to get back to this ball game.
Nakita nila na hindi nakababa doon itong si Valencia, no, for team of Familia DC, kaya nakakuha sila ng chance doon to get the defensive rebound and score.
Panaligan, inside hand layup, hindi na kailangan tumalon ni Reinhardt Panaligan to get that layup to go. They go ahead. Cortez against Panaligan. Nagkainitan sila kanina. And just a foul. And when Jacob Cortez, you can see the frustration, to start the game.
If that was a closed fist, thrown out. Thrown out na. Itong si Cortez, no? That was a technical kasi closed fist eh.
Yeah. And let's see. Let's wait for the announcement from Ram Valid. Yeah, technical foul for Jacob Cortez. He's ejected from the game. Itong si Jacob Cortez, one of the very key contributors ng Cebu City Tigers. And he walks to the tunnel, gets his bag, and things, sayang naman. As we take a look at that replay, that spin, and an extra motion after the foul.
Kita-kita, huling-huli. Galing ng cameraman natin dyan, si Homer Kirante. Yun.
Shout out.
Moralde pala. Homer Moralde pala.
Flandes is left to carry this squad. No?
Si Selim, wala pang connection dito, Jericho.
Yeah. 7.5 to go in quarter number 2. Second quarter lang pa lang tayo ninyo, may ejection na nangyari.
Yup. Ganyan kainit. Tsaka ramdam na natin yung frustration.
Oh, but Silawan there with 2 points to console the Cebu City Tiger fans. And they get another steal.
Si Jericho, no, ito na ba? Sayang.
Nag-throwing pa sa ere.
Paldo na sana yung mga vlogger doon.
Oo. As Lassiter will do the inside Euro step. Yan nga lang, hindi may pasok. Momodo the rebound. A string of stops for the Tigers. Silawan. Sinigurado.
We'll see if dito na ba mag-uumpisa itong comeback nitong Cebu City Tigers.
Yeah, let's take a look at that replay once again. You know, the Tigers are now pushing the tempo. They're getting more into transition. An inside hand layup. We'll be right back after this short break. We're back to our ball game. Madali ang timeout. Our fans here at the Cebu Coliseum and of course our VIP guests.
Oo, nasa harap natin. Boss June, Boss Ray Alaw. Player spotted.
Yes.
Nasa atin harap na. Literal, harap natin. Si Nanay Janice Chan, Mamiel Alaw, and some of our VIPs na andito. Front seat talaga, Jericho.
Oh, best seats in the house. Kasi it's the finals. There's another steal for Cebu City after the timeout ng Familia DC. So,
yeah.
They're figuring it out defensively.
Masakit yun, Jericho, for Familia DC, for Coach Jasper Magno. Kasi nga, off the timeout, no? Tsaka, nagbibigay ka ng momentum dito sa Cebu City Tigers and nakukuha nila yung kanilang full court press. So, what a steal for Reyes.
Tyler Reyes waiting to get back to his guards. Panaligan, given space, steps back for 3. Yes, sir!
Panaligan. Pwede mo talagang saligan tong batang ito. Pangatlong tres na yan mula sa downtown. 9 points now for Reinhardt.
But a steal again from Familia DC. Si Mamawag naman. ang maagawan dito. Silawan pushing the tempo. They have numbers. Sinabayan ni Ives Yambao, but he gets it back. No good. Follow-up is there for Cebu City.
Yun lang, masyado silang na-amaze dun sa Blanca na yun. Itong Siambao, nakalimutan nila yung weak side, yung off the ball.
Yeah, good hustle there to bring the lead back down 17. Mamawag. Tyler Reyes asking for it. He wants that matchup. 5 seconds to shoot. Stolen away. Cebu City Tigers, Lawrence Salim saying bye-bye. Tama lang yung Pectus.
Kalkulado, home court. Naglalaro dito.
Oo.
Si Safi.
And Lawrence Salim finally connects in this ball game. Nangangalahati ang ating score, 15-30 as we approach the halfway point of quarter number 2. Lassiter. Tyler Reyes asking for that mismatch. He gets it. Balik kay Lassiter sa labas. Fires a 3. Yes, sir! And boy, does that look familiar.
Oo, anak nga ni Super Mario. Lassiter, it runs in the blood, Jericho.
Yeah, that's right.
Nasa DNA.
Silawan guarded by Lassiter.
Cross-court.
Stolen away. Huli ni Ali Mamawag. Lassiter, extra pass. Panaligan on the finish.
Nice control right there for Panaligan sa quick release na yun. Hindi na hinantay itong athletic na si Momodu para hindi mablanka.
Chua. Michael Flandes, quiet in this first half. Momodu, floater, gets it to go. Much needed.
Oo, ito. Kiskisa na, Momodu at si Yambao. Once again, for Cebu City Tigers, may isa na kayo na thrown out.
Yeah. No need for another as Ali Mamawag looks for his options. 10 to shoot for Panaligan. Rejects the screen. Lassiter on the drive. Not a pick. And out of bounds. Balik sa Cebu City Tigers ang possession. And a chance for Cebu City na to get another stop or another score as Yambao will take a seat. Chua. Sasil. Michael Flandes. Kick out to Selim. Thought about that 3. 5 to shoot. He will dance. Blocked by Lassiter. And it's off of Selim.
3 and D, no? Itong si Lassiter. And right on the screen, J.R. Reyes, the father of Tyler Reyes, isang PBA legend din.
Oh, I mean, the towers here in the Cebu Coliseum. Grabe.
Carbon copy, no? Itong si Tyler Reyes na kanyang tatay na si J.R. Reyes.
Panaligan to Lassiter from the other corner na naman. This time he can't get it to go. With offensive rebound by Panaligan.
Sayang yung pick and roll doon.
Oh, but a steal by Cebu City Tigers. They go ahead. And Sasil with the inside hand finish.
Last touch. Yellow shirts.
Yeah, both teams just pushing the pace every time they get it. And may timeout tayo. But let's take a look at this fast break finish. Michael Flandes to Sasil, and we'll be right back after this short break. Back to our ball game, and you can see on your screen the mother of Monte Lassiter. Very supportive, and our fans here at the Cebu Coliseum.
Grabe talaga itong mga cameraman. Pati yung taga-pindot doon, no? Taga-buton.
Alam mong tawag doon ninyo, court vision.
Oo, kahit wala sila dito, no?
As an offensive rebound para sa Familia DC after their timeout. Tyler Reyes posting up. The hook shot. How do you even stop that?
Diba? Kahit ibaba pa ni Tyler, kahit saan niya ilagay yung bola, may soft touch talaga. Itong batang ito, napakalayo na niya. Yung first time ko siyang makita 3 years ago.
That's right. Sasil. Balik sa labas. That's Manlukot. 5 seconds to work. Pulls up from the foul line. Way short. Momodu. Ang lalim na nun. Put back by Flores. And shot clock violation.
That's a shot clock violation. But good shot doon for Zach Flores, no? Kahit si Reyes yung nasa harap niya. Kasi presence of mind for Flores, alam niya na shot clock winding down. Kailangan ibitaw.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Nino, final 2 minutes ng ating first half and it's been all Familia DC. Mayor. Mamawag to Lassiter, the pass inside. Quick feed inside the paint and that's Valencia on the deuce. Balik sa 20 ang lamang ng Familia DC. Momodu.
Breaking the zone here. Ooh,
Nice block there. Lassiter throws it ahead to Mamawag. Basket counts plus the foul. It's just the pace that Familia DC is playing with is unstoppable in this first half.
totoo ka dyan. Jericho, no? Yung transition offense nila, di mapigilan itong Cebu City Tigers. Kita natin yung mga outlet pass dito. Lassiter just recognizing his open teammate at nakita niya si Mamawag yung nauna. Why not let it go?
That's right. Extra free throw is good for Ali Mamawag. And napatawag ng timeout. Itong Cebu City Tigers led by Coach Montoy Singson. 42-19 ang ating score. We'll be right back after the break. Back to the ball game tayo with 1 minute and 19 seconds remaining. Just a 23-point advantage. My courtside report tayo from Kian Roble for the second quarter.
This is your Roble on the double with some inside chica. During my quick chat with Blue City Clifton Tigers, they said that the excitement is there. Not only is this a deciding match, but also an opportunity to prove themselves in front of the Cebuano and international crowd. These boys are hustlers and fast runners. Now with just one game separating them from the title, let's see if they can find a way to surpass Familia DC. That's all from the court side. Back to you, Nino and Jericho.
Thank you very much, Kian. And yun nga, no, the pride to play in front of the Cebuano fans, it's priceless yun eh.
Pero si Kian pala yung nasa sideline natin, ha?
Yes.
Si, nag-viral din yan.
Oo. Kasama ang ating nag-iisang Chog Moral.
Ang ganda ng report ni Kian,
Yeah.
no, na sabi nga niya, pride and honor in front of the Cebuano international fans. Scouts din.
Yeah.
Daming scouts.
20 seconds to go in half number 1. And the Cebu City Tigers still pushing the pace here. Sasil for 3.
Back iron.
Napalakas, gets his own miss. Momodu on the floater. Too strong as well. 5 seconds to work for Ali Mamawag. Goes coast to coast. Can't get it to go. At the end of 2, yan ang ating score, 44-19. And Nino, what a first half for Familia DC.
Oo, Familia DC, no? Napakarami nilang conversion mula sa turnover na ginagawa dito ng Cebu City. Points from turnover, 16 or 17 to 6. They're plus 11 sa department na yan. And fast break points natin, 11 to 4 naman for them.
Oh, I mean, look at our second quarter highlights. Punong-puno ng Familia DC baskets. Inside, outside, transition play, half-court sets, they have it all. And that's why they are up 25 right now in the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase 17 under finals. And that's it. You see on your screen the end of the first half, 44-19. We'll be right back. Welcome back. You're watching the live coverage of the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase 17 under finals. Yan ang ating halftime score, 44-19. A dominating first half galing sa Familia DC. Kita mo naman yung ating halftime highlights ninyo.
Oo, no? Itong ang Familia DC limiting itong Cebu City Tigers into just only 2 points sa first quarter natin. Pero buti na lang nakabawi konti on that second quarter. Pero hindi pa rin kayang mahabol itong kalamangan 44-19.
Pero sabi nga nila ninyo, bilog ang bola.
Bilo.
20 minutes left to play. Kung higpitan pa nila yung kanilang depensa, we'll never know as we take a look at our halftime stats.
Oo, kita natin yung diferensya, no? Field goal natin, 48 compared to 20. Napakataas yung Familia DC. Yung rebounding department naman, medyo close lang. Pero yung assist to turnover ratio, kita natin, 8 assists in compared to 3. And then turnover naman natin 10-9. Pero tignan natin dito, Jericho, no, sa 3-point department, 4 out of 13. Ano itong leading scores pala natin, Panaligan, 3 out of 4 mula sa 3-point line, 18 points sa kanya, 11 from Mamawag, 6 for Reyes, Buning with 3, and Silawan with 6, 3, 4, 3, and 2 naman para kay Bumodu, Concepcion, and Chua.
Oo, kay Panaligan, almost matching the points of the entire team of the Cebu City Tigers. As third quarter na tayo dito sa ating 17 under.
Nabanggit ko nga kanina, Jericho, no? 3 out of 4, 75%. Itong si Reinhardt, Panaligan mula sa 3-point line. In tatlo sa apat nitong tres ng Familia DC coming from Reinhardt. And yung points from turnover, Jericho, no? 15-6. Favors for the Familiang DC, and then yung fast break points and fast break points from turnovers, lahat ng yan pabor dito sa Familia DC. Actually, lahat ng department nga, favors for the Familia DC.
That's right. And 30 seconds pa lang tayo dito sa ating third quarter. The Tigers commit a foul. Panaligan, the hot hand in that first half. Can he add to his total? Hand off to Lassiter. Touch pass to Valencia. Naagawan. Isilawan.
Good steal by Silawan. Siya pa lang so far yung main contributor itong Cebu City Tigers.
But Chua with a corner three to start it off for the Cebu City Tigers.
Chua, a good role player, Jericho, no, for Cebu City Tigers. Actually, itong Silawan talaga yan eh. Pero yung main stringer nila, itong si Selim, di makontak ngayon.
Oh, fast break three by Chua. Won't hit the rim. And Panaligan will get it across. Nangangalahati ulit ang ating score. 22-44, 8 seconds to work for Lassiter. Lassiter whips it to Valencia. Extra pass, 2 seconds to shoot. They have to fire away. And that is a shot clock violation for Familia DC.
Sayang yun for Mamawag, no? Pwede na sanang ibitaw yun eh, yung corner pass na yun.
Yeah.
Pero nabutan sila ng 24.
Chua wanted to try again. Will step inside the 3-point line. Napalakas lang ng konti. Itong jump shot ni Liam Chua. 1 of 3 in this third frame. And we just want to greet our viewers, no? On our YouTube channel, Sinagliga Asia TV.
Mayong hapon, kanyang tanan. Siyempre, Jericho, si Coach Alilo Flores at si Ma'am Hazel nanonood sa atin ngayon, supporting si Kuya Zach sa Cebu City Tigers, nanonood sa Vietnam.
Oh, that's right. Happy viewing, Coach Alelu and family. Nice pass outside. Mamawag for 3. Can't get that shot to go. Valencia with the hustle. Trapped in the corner. Panaligan lines it up. No go.
Wow, kalawit.
Oo. Libreng-libre na itong si Panaligan. But Valencia saves the possession for Familia DC. They're smelling it.
No.
Balik kay Panaligan sa labas. 10 seconds to work. Valencia, sidestep, kick out. Monte Lassiter with the fake. Fundamentals, inside and loose.
Basic for Lassiter, no? Fake, one dribble, pull up, simple basketball.
That's right. Cebu City Tigers playing without their star point guard, Jacob Cortez. But Chua on the other end with the rippers. Lumuwa lang. They get it back. And Flandes finally with a basket. Michael Flandes has been the player of the game in a few games for Cebu City Tigers, but he was scoreless in that first quarter kasi yung kamatchup niya, si Tyler Reyes na naman.
Totoo ka dyan, Jericho, no? Hirap siyang makapuntos, hirap siyang bantayan yung si Tyler Reyes. Asylum, over the outstretched arms ito si Tyler.
That's right, 26-46. And Panaligan pushing the tempo, naagawan ni Selim. Concepcion to Selim, 3-on-2 on the break. No,
Wow.
look this to Flandes!
Wala the engagement. Itong si Salim dito ngayon, no? Nahanap na yung kanyang kakampi dito. Walang production siya dito. Alam niya maalat no? Not a bad good day for him. Kaya bibigay ko na lang sa mga teammates ko.
That's right, 4 points for Michael Flandes. Mamawag, step back, Jay, rattles one home.
Basic for Ali Mamawag. This good creation right there for Mamawag. No, stepping back, having some space to create that jumper na kanyang patented move.
Oh, Silawan, kick out to Flandes. Spins around, baseline jumper. 6 straight points for Michael Flandes para sa Cebu City Tigers.
He needs stops here, Jericho.
Oo, di pwedeng papalit-palit.
They can't afford to just exchange baskets here with the Familia DC.
Good defense there. 10 seconds to work. Mamawag against Chua. The spin. Mamawag, nice pass inside. But shot that's blocked by Michael Flandes. Throws it ahead. Balik kay Mamawag ang bola.
Good transition defense for Mamawag. And Panaligan.
Floats it up. Wala. Tyler Reyes na put back. Wala pa rin. Silawan with the rebound. Nabuhayan ng konti itong Cebu City Tigers. Selim. Pass inside to Chua. Drop pass to Silawan. Beautiful teamwork there by the Cebu City Tigers.
Even if you don't have the ball, you just need to move and find a good look. Yan yung ginawa dito ng Cebu City Tigers. Selim with another stop.
Chua. 3-on-1 on the break. Flandes gets it to go. Cuts the lead. Closer and closer. 14 points na ang lamang ng Familia DC. And what a run by the Tigers ninyo.
Oo, napakaganda ng kanilang ginawa dito. Sinimulan muna talaga sa opensa, pero, si Selim, paulit-ulit nating sinasabi sa kanya, no? Na napakaganda na kanyang ginagawa dito para sa kanyang kupunan. Pero, the suspect muna dito ngayon sa Cebu City. It's Flandes. Ganito ang
Yeah, we'll be
Silawan. We'll be right back.
back to our ball game, and matapos ang madali ang timeout, we're back with Familia DC looking to end this run by the Tigers. Mamawag, pull up Jay inside. No go, rebound. Lassiter inside to Tyler Reyes.
Good decision by Lassiter. Alam niya, medyo pumabor sa kanya yung depensa dun Left open, pinakamatangkad lang naman si Tyler.
Flandes puts it up. Not that time, but Michael Flandes has finally come alive.
Oo. Kita mo na yung confidence ng mga bata itong Cebu City Tigers, Jericho, no? Kahit over itong si Tyler Reyes, pinupukol pa rin nila.
That's right. And they force a stop there. Here comes Flandes directing traffic. Silawan. The lead was as big as 23. Ngayon, it's just 16. Dive for the loose ball. Naagawan. Panaligan on the breakaway finger roll.
It's the heart of a champion right there. Panaligan, a 3-and-D player dito. Kita mo naman yung hassle ng bata, Jericho, no? Kahit na nagkadapa na, nakuha pa rin yung bola.
We'll be back after this short timeout from the Cebu City Tigers. We're back to the ball game, and we're back in the Cebu Coliseum. And on your screens naman, Commissioner Rocky Chan, Boss Ray Alaw, the President of Sinag Liga Asia. Player spotted, Sir Dan. Of course, kasi maganda yun for the platform eh.
Oo, tsaka engagement na rin, no? Sa mga fans natin and, para makita din nila no? Na napakaganda na ating ball game dito. Kagaya ng play of the game natin, hatid sa atin ng teleport.
Sasil, cross-court pass. Selim, 3 seconds to work. They have to shoot. Momodu. Flandes. Wala. Fight for the rebound. Into the hands of John Mayor. Mamawag leaking out on the breakaway. Dive for the loose ball. Grabe yung hustle nitong dalawang teams. Great recovery from the Tigers. And now they get the basketball back. It's Lassiter there losing that possession as Coach
Ernest.
He's Ernest.
Preskong presko.
Manlukot to Sinda. Flandes for 3. Momodu
Wow.
taps it. Extra shot. No good. Wala pa rin. Sinda puts it up. Hits back iron.
Kita mo yun?
Balik sa labas with 10 seconds to shoot.
Kahit nakatalikod yung Tyler Reyes, naiilang pa rin silang ipukol eh.
Oo. As Sasil gets blocked. Good stop for Familia DC.
Ang haba eh.
Last 2 minutes ng ating third quarter. 18-point lead for Familia DC. Lassiter kicks it out. Mayor, lefty. Shot on go. Momodu to Sasil. 3-on-1. Panaligan with a chase down. Dive for the loose ball ulit. And there is a jump ball, possession arrow going to the Cebu City Tigers. But grabe yung sequence na yun, Ninyo.
Oo. Pero yung panaliga, no? Grabe yung hassle nitong bahatang talaga. Kahit nasa dead end na eh, no?
Oh, let's take a look at the replay. Doesn't have the vertical advantage. Pero
Marunong.
nagulangan.
Oo, marunong talaga eh. Sinundot lang yung bola. Kahit nagtinikling na dun sa baseline, nakuha pa rin. Pero jump ball and position arrow for the yellow shirts.
Flandes with 5 seconds on the shot clock. Momodu step back, pivots, rejected by Valencia.
Nasa babae na tawagan niya. Low to City, stop. On top, kita natin, no? Blankang-blanka. Pero, hindi, yung help pala nila si Kurt. Natawagan.
That's Elijah Momodu at the free throw line.
Mintes sa kanya unang free throw, pero yung unang puntos, nakuha niya mula sa free throw line.
Yeah, so pwede pa tong ikalawa. And, around 11 minutes left in this ball game, Nino. 18-point lead. Konting-konti. Paunti ng paunti.
Offensive
Coming
rebound.
back, offensive board. Sasil. And turnover there. And it's Lassiter with it. Lassiter pushing the tempo. Sinabayan. And that'll be 2 free throws for Monte Lassiter.
Kita mo yung pectus ni Lassiter dun eh, no? Kung tumama lang yun ng konti sa board, alam mo, papasok eh.
That's right. Quick subs tayo for both teams. Pano comes back after looked like a long rest. Monte Lassiter representing the Lassiter name, which is prominent, very prominent in the basketball community here in the Philippines. 1 of 2 from the stripe, and that's Coach Don Hontiveros.
Oo, kasama yung nanay ni Lassiter.
Yeah. She was also there in the University of San Carlos yesterday. Napaka-supportive even after the game. As Flandes catches it inside the paint, puts it up, can't get the bounce, gets his own miss. Wala pa rin. Rebound, Pano. Time for the loose ball. Naagawan. Silawan, still no good. Selim shot. After a lot of chances, wala for Cebu City.
That was 3 attempts for them.
Natapik ang bola. Daming chances, no?
Oo, tsaka yung last na pumukol doon, si Selim, no?
Yeah.
Off talaga itong si Selim ngayon, pero nakikita natin na how true a point guard he is kasi nga ini-engage niya yung kanyang mga teammates dito in transition, nahahanap niya yung good look. Long way for Selim.
But a steal for the Tigers. Flandes lays it up over Lassiter, who was able to alter the shot. Valencia on the breakaway. Sinubukang i-dunk but he can't get it to go. Wala nang shot clock for the Tigers. And another foul is called. Pangalawang team foul yan ng Familia DC.
Foul to give.
Oo, to stop the break. Muntik nang madunk ni Valencia. Just couldn't get high enough to slam it down. 12.4 seconds. And last minute adjustments. Binalik. Ito si Tyler Reyes. Yeah. Break muna.
Si Panaliga, no? Uupo muna.
Esguerra will check in.
Sinalubong kagad ng perma.
Silawan. Selim, 2 seconds to go. Lefty layup gets it around. And that will do it for quarter number 3. Familia DC, they are up by 17 heading into quarter number 4. 53-36 ang score. But let's take a look at our third quarter highlights ninyo.
Itong third quarter natin. 17-9, ha? Surprisingly, Cebu City Tigers outscored itong Familia DC. But still not enough kasi kita nga natin yung score, Jericho. 53-36. Clearly, the inches, the size favors for the Familia DC.
The Tigers have 10 minutes. One last quarter, one last push dito sa ating championship game. Yan ang ating score. 53-36 heading into quarter number 4. We'll be right back. We're back at the jam-packed Cebu Coliseum for the final quarter of the 17 under division finals dito sa Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase. Watch the world play, and we are watching the world play indeed. This team from the United States of America is leading by 17.
From DC talaga, no? Sa sentro talaga, or heart ng Amerika, yung capital nila, capital state, and
Back outside. Selim. Flandes from the free throw line. Gets one to go. Brings the lead down 15.
By the way, Jericho, thank you so much to Coach Alvin Tanyada
Yun.
sa Pa-Pizza.
Yung parang extra gasolina.
Oo, tsaka kahapon nagpa-McDo yan, ha?
Saan?
Dito sa amin. McFloat, tsaka may burger pa. Grabe talaga si Coach Alvin.
Oo.
Sana pumaldo ka araw-araw. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Tama ka dyan. But the foul there by Familia DC. Unang foul nila within the first minute. Ito, 15 points na lang. Ninyo kanina, 23 ang kalamangan ng Familia DC.
15 points na nga lang, no? Pero tignan natin if that momentum na nakuha nitong Cebu City Tigers on the third quarter, may pagpatuloy nila sa ating fourth. As offensive rebound again by Flandes.
Silawan gets it back. Strong drive to the basket. Rolls out of the rim.
For Silawan, hindi mo na kailangan mag-complain. Sprint back ka na lang ulit sa depensa.
But a steal by the Cebu City Tigers once again. They get another stop. Selim goes inside. Drop-off pass.
Sayang. A little bit short lang sa space dun, no? Not enough for sila or Flandes para makadiskarte dun.
Yeah.
But sabi nga natin, do bad day for Selim, pero yung unselfishness niya dito, superb talaga.
Being the point guard in replacement of Jacob Cortez, who was ejected in the second quarter of the game. And the Tigers forced yet another turnover.
Ibang Jacob Cortez po to, sa mga nanonood at hindi pa nakakita kay Jacob Cortez, not the Cool Cub one.
A Selim inside.
Wow.
No resistance in the paint.
So far, ngayong fourth na ito, or second half natin, no, walang pilit na tira for Selim. Pag open lane, ida-drive. Pag hindi, ipapasa. Offensive foul na naman. Itong nakuha ni Selim.
And it's going to be another stop for the side of Cebu City. And meron tayong report from Kian Roble. Kian, what's up?
Now it becomes a mental game. Entering today's finals, the Tigers have yet to taste defeat, riding an impressive winning streak considering it's the first journey for most players on the team. Going into the fourth quarter, Coach Jury Villalango urges relentless defense and disciplined execution as they try to gain more points and eventually more leverage. That's all from the court side. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Kian. And yun nga, no, it's a mental game more than it is a physical. It's a lot of mind games in this championship, especially sa championship situation as Monte Lassiter with an and one play. Pamatay sunog na and one.
Ganda ng pagka-drive doon. Itong si Monte Lassiter, eh, no? Nag-appear sa ere. Yun yung nangyari doon, Jericho.
7.5 minutes to go in quarter number 4. Cebu City Tigers still trying to claw their way back here.
At saka pag-usapan natin yung third quarter numbers natin, Jericho. Tumaas itong field goal ng Cebu City Tigers from 22.2 nung ating halftime. Ngayon, naging 25.8 at bumaba naman for the Familia DC from 50%, naging 44.9.
That's right. And you know, it's better defense this time from the side of Cebu City Tigers, mas organized. But as a steal there by Panaligan, who's back in the game. The pass inside Valencia is called for the walk.
Oo, ang ganda ng tawag doon ng ating referee. Walang iba. Jig Islaw Lascuña. So,
Matik yan.
Swabe hinapay. Pilit ki ba? No? Murag itala pagbaka ba? 15 ito.
Yeah, 40 to 55 pa rin. Another unforced stop para sa Cebu City Tigers. Pero kita mo yung effect ninyo when Panaligan came back into the ball game. Nice pass to Flandes inside. Butata kay Kian Valencia.
Wow, what a help by Palencia right down. Parang delay si Palencia doon, no? Pero with that lengthy arms kasi, no? Yun yung advantage sa kanya.
That's right. As Silawan gets the steal. Here come the Tigers running the break. Selim dribbles it off his leg.
Nasundot ng tuhod.
And at this stage of the game, every single possession matters, as you can see the coaching staff of the Cebu City Tigers looking for that answer to really bring them back for real.
Parang masakit talaga yun for Ali, no? Natamaan siya sa kanyang private part or sa groin ba ito? Sa groin. Groin yung tinuturo niya.
Ito naman on the side of the Tigers, Liam Chua will check in. He had a couple of three-pointers, to bring some momentum to the side of the Tigers. Let's see kung anong maipapakita niya. Mayor. Panaligan. Balik kay Mayor.
Nice swing.
Inside. Drop pass.
Wow, ula.
And a hard fall. Offensive rebound. Valencia gets that roll. And that's Silawan with a hard fall.
As in hard fall dun. Step Step up dito. Nang wala na itong si Silawan. Tingnan natin ulit sa ating replay. Nadala siya ng fake eh.
Yeah.
Yun. Ang taas. Boom! Nakatagilid kasi, no? Yung hips.
Yeah.
Kaya wala siyang naging reaction din eh. Yung ginawa niya para mapunta siya dun sa corner.
Oo, parang
yung paa niya na lang.
after the whistle na yun siya nakagalaw eh.
Mm-hmm.
As yun, he landed on the side.
Yung hips niya.
Yeah.
Hips niya dito.
We're back to the ball game, and those Cebu City Tigers will have another reason to fight for kanilang teammate Concepcion for 3. Yun nga lang, it's short for Hans Concepcion.
sana it fuels the
Yeah.
squad of Cebu City, no? Na to play more, to double their effort, to double their offense, and to get this win para sa kanilang kakampi. And this is the last shot. This is the last punch dito sa Junior World Showcase.
That's right. Mayor though at the corner. Lassiter. Inside hand layup. Napalakas lang. Put back by Valencia.
Haba. Valencia. Tignan natin yung kanyang mga numero for Pamilya DC, no? Itong bata ito, si Valencia, yung kanilang team captain. Meron na total of 4 rebounds.
Nice pass inside and the finish by Sasil to make the lead. 17 ba to? 14 or 15? 17. Throws it ahead to Mayor. Halfway point ng ating fourth. Panaligan lost the ball. And the Tigers are on the break. Selim goes inside. Extra pass. Chased down by Yambao.
Mahabol talaga eh.
Yeah. Flandes stutters. Wild shot. Momodo with a putback. And the foul on Ives Yambao.
Admitted naman itong si Yambo na may foul siya doon.
Yeah.
Nalagay niya sa baba yung kanyang kamay doon. Kaya natawagan.
With the sports goggles.
Yep. Amari Stoudemire.
Oo.
Nabutan mo yun, Jericho.
Of course.
New York, di ba?
Oo. Yung di pa sila contenders.
Di pa contender. Yeah. Mellow time, eh. No?
Oo. Pero ngayon, grabe.
Oo. Grabe na as in.
Momodu. Nagmintis nung una, misses the second one. He was a bit out from the foul line.
Kita mo yung gulangan dun eh, no? Sa rebound.
Oo.
Oo, pagulagan.
Panaligan there, back to the ball game. Nung bumalik siya sa laro,
Yeah.
nahinto itong run ng Cebu City Tigers. Flandes puts it up. Ooh, just lost control on the offensive rebound. Sayang. Tignan natin anong nangyayari dito sa Cebu Coliseum.
Oo, may sumisigaw eh.
Oo, nag-iiyawan. I think yung ating mga spectators.
Ah, yung mga spectators pala sa sideline, yung dalawang baby girls ni Coach Alvin.
Yun.
Inaano pala si Lassiter direct.
Oo.
Oh, happy viewing pala kay Lane of South Caloocan from Direct Billy.
Yun.
Na-miss ko na yung Paris dyan sa Caloocan, direct yung sa labas ng Caloocan City Hall. Ang sarap nun.
Happy viewing and thank you for tuning in dito sa ating live stream. Marami pa tayong laro. As Chua Flandes at the corner, fakes the three. Inside hand layup. Gumawa lang. And a foul. Let's see if was that 2 free throws or baseline lang? Baseline lang.
Baseline lang, sabi ng ating referee na si Alex Yanez.
Well, nagtaka nga ako kapag pumupunta doon ng bola, parang may hiyawan.
Oo. Kaya pala, ginagawang santo parang santo no? Yung parang Saint Dwight,
Oo,
nakita mo yung Saint Dwight?
oo.
Dwight Ramos.
Grabe yun. As the Tigers can't convert and the game really now slipping away from the Tigers as Panaligan slips away from the defense. Di nagmamadali itong Pamilya DC. Tyler Reyes at the post. Double teamed in the foul.
Ngayon ko lang nakitang ganyan si Tyler, ha?
Yeah.
Mabait na bata yan, pero alam mo naman how intense this ball game natin, Jericho. Fourth quarter action. Do 2 minutes and change lang itong natitira sa atin, pero palaban din yung batang yan.
Finals game pa rin ito eh.
Good seal.
Balik sa labas kay Ali Mamawag. 7 to work. Mamawag crosses over. Pull up J. Foul away from the ball or is it on the jump shot? Yeah, Ali Mamawag went down.
Yup. Ali will shoot 2 free throws. Ang bilis makakuha ng mga fouls ng ganyang style of release kasi, no?
Yeah.
Tumataas yung katawan, tapos hindi straight medyo slant yung kaya sumasabit yung paa nitong si Mamawag, and good for foul baits lalo sa mga crucial moments.
Mamawag at the end of that third quarter, 13 points na. And 5 steals.
Dami. Tsaka yung backcourt duo nitong si Mamawag tsaka Panaligan, no? Ang dami talagang bolang makukuha Kaya the steal department nitong ang kupunan ng Familia DC lumulobo dito. Nakakuha sila ng 10.
Yeah. Tyler Reyes throws it to Reinhardt. Panaligan! Sinabayan pa!
Sumakay ka lang. Basta wag kang makulit, says Reinhardt. Panaligan doon. Gabi yung ginawa sa ere. Pinabangga muna yung kakampi o yung kanyang kalaban. Pinag-commit doon sa depensa, nakakuha ng foul. Another and one opportunity. But tignan natin, Jericho, kung sino yung nakatakbo sa transition.
That's our move of the game. Hatid sa inyo ng Winzen Cafe. Grabe naman yung hang time from the small guard.
Pero Panaligan and Mamawag na naman yung tumatakbo doon.
Yeah. Double team pa rin kahit na 2 minutes left and 22
Wow.
point lead as a slice and dice. Can't finish there. Chua gets the ball back and the foul. And penalty na itong dalawang teams as we have a report from Kian Roble about that injury. Kian, what's up?
With just 4 minutes into the last quarter, intensity was at its peak as the players tried to outsmart one another. An incident occurred. Silawan of Cebu City Tigers was outed from the game after falling on his back after responding to a fake by Valencia from Familia DC. After consulting with the coaching staff, they said that Silawan, assured to be responsive, is being attended to by the medical personnel. We will be back with more updates. Now let's see what his absence will do for this team.
Thank you very much, Kian. And yun nga, no, it's good to hear na Rad Silawan is responsive and being attended to by our medical crew. Pero nga, ito, last 2 minutes and balik sa 22 ang lamang ng Familia DC.
Now, it's safe to say, Jericho, na we're just waiting for a final score dito.
Yeah. And kung ano yung ating final lead as another steal. And the breakaway layup, hindi na pumalag ito si Tyler Reyes.
Di na hinabol no? Kasi alam niya, masakit pag maghabol sa taong
Yun.
mali. Yun lang.
Period as back-to-back baskets. Grabe yun, ninyo. Lalim ng pinaghuhugutan mo.
Kung kami nga ni Coach Alvin dito, parang si Papa Dudut at Papa Jack.
Kasi ganito yung score. Bali yung score, 46-64. Sasil again. Uy, thou shall not confiance.
Oo, kumpiyansa. Itong mga batang ito, ha?
Napa-timeout. Itong Familia DC. 1 minute 7 to go.
Just nothing yan.
Yeah, parang ganun nga. As we will be right back after the break. Madali ang timeout from Familia DC. That was a very quick run from the Tigers. 6-0 nga. Tama ka, Ninyo.
6-0 run yun. Kumpiyansa. Yung Familia DC doon, Jericho, ha?
Oh, balik yung starters na Familia DC.
Kailangan mo dito ulit si Mamawag tsaka si Reinhardt.
With 40 seconds and change.
They will just dribble this one out.
We'll see. Sumasayo pa itong si Panaligan
Pinakatok lang naman. Hindi naman binuksan no? Pero, syempre, no room for complacency.
And one last shot. Para di ma-violation. And that will do it. So they'll dribble it out. See, may tubit pa before 8 seconds. Yun, that will do it for this championship game ng ating 17 under division ng Sinagliga Asia Junior World Showcase. Panalo ang Familia DC. They win over Cebu City Tigers 64-48. Yan ang ating score at the final buzzer. Nino, what a ball game kahit malaki ang lamang.
No? Kudos to Cebu City Tigers for playing with all of their heart dito against a team ng Familia DC. Though, nung first, iba yung naging outcome compare sa first met nila and itong second met nila dito ngayon sa ating finals and Familia DC, nakita natin contender yung lineup.
Yeah.
Pero hindi lang nag-glue sa kanilang first meet. And ngayon naman, nakita natin yung full potential. Nilabas nila yung totoong lakas, yung totoong tikas, at totoong laro ng kanilang kupunan ng Familia DC.